Bobcat Dethatchers and overseeders are designed to safely and efficiently remove thatch from lawns, and the overseeders also apply seeds into soil. Before using either machine, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the instructions in this video, as well as the operation and maintenance manual and the engine manual to avoid injury to yourself, others, or damage to the machine. In addition, always comply with any local regulations that may apply. You will see the safety alert symbol throughout the operation and maintenance manual and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics, including safe handling and operation, safety features, terrain considerations, and other safety precautions. Your machine was built with safety in mind, but safety also depends on you. Operators should receive training in the safety features and operating practices of the Bobcat Dethatcher. Perform the daily inspection before operating the machine, including familiarizing yourself with the safety signs on your Dethatcher and replacing any that are damaged or missing. Wear appropriate safety gear, including hearing protection, safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and long pants. Avoid loose clothing or jewelry to prevent entanglement with the machine. Securely tie back long hair. As with any gasoline-fueled machine, do not operate in enclosed areas. Avoid operating under low-light conditions. Do not operate if you're experiencing drowsiness or under the influence of alcohol or drugs that may affect your judgment or reaction time. Check for job site hazards and for surface conditions. Ensure the operating area is free of obstructions like rocks, debris, sprinkler heads, or other objects that could be damaged or thrown by the machine. Be mindful of obstacles in the operating area. If you can't remove an obstacle, mark it so you can carefully navigate around it. Exercise caution near drop-offs or uneven ground. Bobcat Dethatchers are designed for single operator use. Do not operate when bystanders, especially children or pets, are in the area. Establish a safety zone to ensure that the machine is operated at a safe distance from such hazards. Additionally, make sure the ground has been prepared for your job. You should avoid dethatching or seeding wet turf and operating on slopes where loss of stability and traction could occur. With the reel raised, adjust the reel height with the height adjustment knob to the desired position and tighten the lock nut. When overseeding, set the seeding rate with the feed control cam, following the chart on the machine. Before starting, ensure the clutch control is disengaged by pushing it fully backward. Ensure the reels are in the raised position. Open the fuel valve and move the choke to the appropriate setting. To start the engine, move the engine switch to the on position and pull the recoil starter slowly until resistance is felt. Then pull quickly. This machine is equipped with an operator presence control or OPC. The operator must hold down the OPC when the clutch control lever is engaged or the machine will shut down. Ensure this control is working properly before operating. Contact your dealer if service is needed. The throttle control is located at the operator position and sets the operational speed of the machine. Adjust the speed by moving the throttle control towards the fast symbol to increase the speed and towards the slow symbol to decrease the speed. Before you begin operating, adjust the throttle lever to your desired speed. To propel the machine forward without engaging the reel, ensure the reel is raised and hold the OPC. Then, without squeezing the reel control lever, push the clutch control lever forward. The Dethatcher operates at a set speed. To stop, disengage the clutch control lever by pulling it fully backward. When you are ready to start operating, hold the OPC and pull back on the reel control lever while pushing the clutch control lever forward to engage both the reel and drive clutches. Lower the reel after the unit is in motion and raise it before stopping or turning. On the overseeder, the seed gate opens automatically as the reel is engaged. To stop the engine, raise the reel, disengage the clutch control lever, and release the OPC. Ensure the reel and all moving parts have come to a complete stop before leaving the operator position. Move the engine switch to the off position, and if using an overseeder, close the feed control cam. If the engine has a fuel shutoff valve, be sure to turn it off before transporting the machine off-site. When transporting your Dethatcher, follow the instructions in the operation and maintenance manual. Regular maintenance of your Dethatcher promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your machine will result in excessive wear and early failures. Gasoline is extremely flammable, and gasoline vapors are explosive. Use extra care when handling. A fire or explosion from gasoline can cause serious injury or death. Allow the engine to cool before fueling. Fill the fuel tank in a well-ventilated area and with the machine on level ground. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Make sure the fuel cap is correctly installed. If fuel is spilled, do not attempt to start the engine until the spill is cleaned up and vapors have dissipated. Keep fuel containers electrically grounded to prevent static electricity sparks. Perform your daily inspection. Maintenance procedures that are not addressed in the operation and maintenance manual must be performed only by qualified service personnel. Operators should be trained in the safety features and operation practices before using Bobcat Dethatchers. It is essential that training be provided in a language the operator can understand and that they have opportunities to ask questions. Training should cover the key points discussed in this video. Operators should receive refresher training when covering new terrain, operating new equipment, or whenever deemed necessary. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video, the operation and maintenance manual, and the engine manual when operating your Dethatcher. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat Dethatcher and allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.